Guess who's back? Me. For those of you that have been wondering, what have I been up to? What have I been working on since I sold the gym? Here's one of the projects. Finally finished. Number one thing I used to be asked about when working with clients at FitWorks and online was, do you have any food examples? Do you have any recipe ideas? Do you have a cookbook? You should do a cookbook. Well, guess what? I did, and here it is. Healthy, simple, tasty recipes for living well. There's over 150 recipes in this book. Best part, most of them have 6 ingredients or less. I'm standing in my own kitchen. I'm not a gourmet chef. I don't have a commercial kitchen. It's stuff I make at my own house for my family and my kids. You can do it too. 6 ingredients or less. We just finished up doing a recipe off page 85, carb chicken, chips, sweet potatoes, spiralized cucumber. I've got an example of that right here in front of me. As an added bonus, I put together some mozzarella cheese balls. They're actually called pearls. Look for them in your dairy section by the deli, favorite grocery store. Sliced tomatoes. Some of these came right out of our garden, some of them from the grocery store. This is a great summer salad. It's a great side. It's great anytime. Icing on the cake is the Driftless Glen infused oils from Renee's. So we used infused olive oil, infused balsamic, ridiculously simple salad or side. We spiralized some cucumber, again, regular cucumber, the Vegetti brand vegetable spiralizer. You can find these at Bed Bath & Beyond, Amazon, sometimes Target and Walmart have them. We also use this to chip the sweet potato. I don't actually have an example of that on the plate because we ate it all. Pro tip on grilling chicken, and again, this is right out of the book. You're probably sitting there like, I could do this. Of course you can. We do it all the time. Buy the grocery brand Italian dressing. Don't buy the light or the low fat. You want the high fat dressing. Marinate your chicken breast overnight, ideally. If you only have an hour or such, that's fine. But marinate your chicken in the full fat grocery store brand Italian dressing. It will keep your chicken from drying out on the grill. Tastes great, super easy. Like literally, if you do this before bed, chicken goes in the Tupperware, pour your Italian dressing on, let it sit until the next day. 15 or 20 minutes on the grill, it's gonna be done. It's not gonna be dried out, tastes great. Sliced cucumbers, we peeled some of the cucumbers, sliced them up, again, back into the Driftless Glen Renee's infused olive oil and balsamic. So if you look at this, we break it down. Cucumber, vinegar, oil, 3 ingredients. Mozzarella cheese pearls and tomato, vinegar, oil, 4 ingredients. Chicken breast, Italian dressing, 2 ingredients. The actual spiralized cucumber, because my kids eat it, will tend to eat all of it. It's nothing but cucumber and then some Himalayan pink sea salt. Super easy, 2 ingredients. If we can do this in our house, you can do it at yours. So for those that have been wondering where I've been, I'm back. You're going to see more of me here on Facebook Live, probably over at Instagram at Eat by Color. In addition to the cookbook and the food stuff, we are doing online coaching. Fitworks.com is in the process of being converted to my online training and coaching site. We still have the training app. We're still coaching clients from across the country. That domain is going to be switched over. Stay tuned for that. Great opportunity to get some training if you're interested. At any rate, it's good to be back on live Facebook. Thanks for checking this out. We'll see you around.